Hey guys, here we are, second map here. We got our teams in here. It's a 4v4 against, no idea what this team name is, but you know who they are. Yeah, as you can see, it's me, SuHMarD, Viente, and Rochi. And SuHMarD gets flooded 2 or 3 times in this match against them. And that resembles a forfeit. I'm going to show you the points of which he gets flooded and how the game starts off, okay? So here we go. So here we go, we go up 1-0. There we go, as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, SuHMarD gets timed out. I'm going to go back a little bit, and you can watch it yourself. He's probably one barring. There he is in the middle, and he gets timed out. You saw, and he goes offline, and we have to play 3v4. There we go, we're playing 3v4. We went around. Whoops, hurting my knee. Here we go, continue playing it. There you are, me and Viente. Clutch that one. I got bullshitted right there. And we lose this round. Later on in the match, SuHMarD comes back because they ran out of packets, and then as soon as he gets right back, they flood him again. We play the whole match man down. Here you go. I had a clutch double nade right there. We win another round. We win this round too, I believe. We got 5-3, and we end up losing. There you go, it's 5-3. I believe it's right here. No, it's not. It's one where it's 5-4, I believe. Whoops, not wrong team, sorry guys. It should be right here, I believe. SuHMarD comes back, and he's good for a little while until they flood him again. There, he's dropping right down to a 1 bar again. Yep. Let me wait for it. There he is. He timed out again. And that should be enough for you guys. Thanks.